Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again, and if you're new, hi, my name is Sandra, and today we're going to do my update for my deck of panning for Japan. And as you know, I have not been regularly on my uploading the last 6 months, but this time around I have worn more makeup than the last year something. So I can show you some progress and also new stuff in, and I'm really excited about it. If you don't know what this project is, I'm going to link Emily's channel down below. She's creator of this project, and I'm going to leave a master list and a playlist down below so you can see it. So we are going to jump in and see how I did on my products, because I'm really excited. I'm in that point in my mom life now. I don't know if you could call it that, but I'm a mom. So in my mom life, I'm at that point. I really want to wear makeup again and do it more consistently. I cannot do it on my work because I work with food and we are not allowed to wear nail polish or makeup or any sort of that, or jewelry actually. So we are not allowed to wear that at all. So on my free time I'm going to wear makeup if I have a day off or weekends. So we are going to jump in. I have done my nails, love them, and also my makeup. So that is really nice to feel like I'm back just a tiny bit. But we're going to jump in on this deck of panning for Japan. And I'm going to run you through the product I have in this project right now, and then I'm going to pick some new products, and I'm actually going to pick more than one. Yeah, exciting. So first up we're going to talk the King of Spade, and that is the oldest product. This product has been in this project from the beginning, and it bumps me out a little bit because I really want to work on it. But I'm working on a similar product right now outside of the project, and I really want to work that out of my collection. It is a tiny knob, so when that is done I'm going to work on this one. This is my Colourpop lip liner in the shade Brink. I have not used it at all this last month, and the reason why is because I really want to work the other one out. I can show you how little it is, because this is tiny, like really tiny. This is my Milani lip liner, and as mentioned, this is not in a project, but I just want to work this out because this is so tiny now, and when that is done I'm going to work on the other one. Next up we're going to turn page here. That is my 6 of diamonds, and that is my Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer. My goal for this one is to use it up. The reason why this is in a pot is because I had it in a squeezy tube, or the squeezy tube it came in, but that was really messy, and it was actually a little bit too dark for me, so I had to mix it in this pot. I don't know how much I have left. There's ton of product in here, but I use this almost every single day. I use this actually at work. I know I'm not allowed to wear makeup, but I used a tiny dot right here and here just to cover up my dark circles, because they are bad due to no sleep and all that for the past year. So I really want to work this one out of my collection so I can have one concealer out. So that is that one. Then we got my King of Clubs, and that is the oldest product. That is this one. This is one of my oldest products. This is my Benefit Hula Light Bronzer, and it looks like this. It had the pan from the beginning of this project, but I can announce I have reached my goal on this one. I really want to wear this 20 times, and I have done that. So this one is going to roll out of this project, and I'm really excited about it. I really like this bronzer, but yeah, I don't wear bronzer every single time I do my makeup. So for me to hit my goal on this one is really exciting. So that one is going to be rolled out. Then we got my Jack of Hearts. That is the whole collection roulette. And as I mentioned in my last update, I don't have a spreadsheet for my whole collection. So I have decided to take every drawer. I have 9 in my LX9 drawer and then 1 behind me. So 10 drawers, pick a number and then a section. And I got this one. This is my Pixi highlighter in the shade London Lustre. My goal for this one is to use it 10 times. I have worn this 7 times since my last update. So as you can hear, I have worn this quite a bit. As you can see, we got a pretty good dip in it. This dip was here from the beginning, but I think I have expanded it a tiny bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. I think I can have my goal met on this one for the next update. Or I know I can, because I only have 3 more uses on the left and then I can roll out. So I can do that, I'm positive. Then the last one is my 8 of diamond, and that is the lowest rated. And yeah, this one was a little bit tricky one because I live in Denmark, and here in Denmark people don't do reviews on product on Sephora and all that, so it's really hard to find lowest rated here in Denmark. So I was on Sephora, the US one, the Danish one. I was on Matas, that is something similar to CVS. I was on Look Fantastic, I think it was, and one more store, I cannot remember which one. Beauty Bay maybe. And I could not for the love of God find a lowest rated product I had in my collection. So the way I did this was to pick a product I find lowest rated in my collection. So a product I don't think is the greatest, but I kept it for some reason or another. I don't know why I kept it, but I found myself to love it a little bit more than I thought. So it's not lowest rated anymore, but it's okay because it's rolling out. This is my Revolution Matte Base Powder in P1. My goal for this one was to use this 20 times. I have done that. And I have actually created a pretty good dip right there in the center, as you can see. And I can actually, I don't know if you can tell on camera at all, but I can see some of the grime underneath from the packaging. I don't know what it's called. Maybe it's the metal part underneath the powder. I can see some of the lines in the powder. So that tells me I'm going to hit pan on this one in maybe 20 more uses or something. That is really exciting, but I'm going to roll this one out. I have another powder in my year-long project pan I really want to work on. I don't want to use it up, I just want to work on it. So that one is going back into my collection. But I have used that every single time I have gotten to work or have done my makeup, because as I mentioned, I do a little bit of concealing right here and then I set it with that powder. So that has worked really well. Met my goal on that one, so that means I have met my goal on 2 products. I am really excited about it because I have not met a goal on a product in a long time. Oh, that's not correct, because last month I rolled in those 2 products, the highlighter and the powder, but I have reached my goal on 2 more, and I have not done that in very long time. Hit my goal on product 2 months in a row, so that is nice. So we are going to take this one, and now I'm thinking about it. I need to pull up the spreadsheet. So I think I will do that really quick. I'm going to shuffle the cards really quick because they need a little shuffle, and then I'm going to find the game board and then I'll be right back. Alright, I found the spreadsheet. I'm going to shuffle one more time and then we're going to pick some product. I'm going to take this one, 3 of diamonds, and the next one is going to be this one. Okay, the Queen of Hearts. So 3 of Hearts is holiday or vacation, and I think that means something that reminds you of holiday or vacation, or something you bought on a holiday or on vacation or something. So I'm going to look at that, and then we're going to look at the other one, and that is Random Color Generator. And I actually had that one before in one of the other updates, so yeah, we are going to see what I can get. But I don't know why, but every single time I pick a new card, I always get these picture cards. I don't know what to call them, but the Jack or the Queen or the King. I don't know why, but always I never got the Joker, and I'm really happy about it, because that is a product you don't want to pan. But yeah, for some reason I always pick this type of cards. So yeah, that's how it is. I'm going to look at my collection and see what I can find for a holiday or vacation product, and then I'm going to see what color I can get. So I think we will take the color first because it's more easier. So random random color. Oh my god, my brain. We got a sick girl in the house, so yeah. My sleep is nothing to talk about, but yeah, that's how it is. Okay, we are going to take a random color, and I think I'm going to refresh the page because this one pops up, and yeah. So we're going to refresh. Pinky red. Okay. This is going to be fun. I will go into my collection. Maybe I have a lip product in that color. I think so, I do. And if I do, I'm going to pick that one because that is such a stunning color. So I'm going into my collection, see you if I can find that specific color. And then I'm going to look at something for a holiday or vacation. So BIB. I never thought I would find my product that fast as I did today, but I did. So the first one was my holiday or vacation product, and for that I chose this one. This is my Black Opium perfume from Yves. And the reason why I picked this one is because I bought this in USA for around 4 years ago, 4 years ago. 4 years. Yeah, 4 years ago I think it was. And yeah, as you can see, I have used it a tiny bit, but not too much. So I really want to work on this one. I think my goal for this one is to use it to above the Y here in the logo. I don't know if you can tell a lot, but right here. So maybe almost halfway. Oh, it is halfway almost. So to here I really want to use this perfume. I really like it, but it's a little bit too strong for every day. So if I'm going out or something, I'm going to use it all on the weekends. I'm not going to use it on my work days or something because it's going to be a little bit too strong. And then I'm going to show you what I picked for my random color generator. And as viewed before, this is the color I got. This beautiful, I don't know, raspberry reddish shade. Really stunning. And as I mentioned, I think I have a color that is similar to this one, and yeah, you guys, this is spot on. Spot on. I really hope the camera can pick the color up because this is so freaking stunning. That is this one. This is my Loyale lip paint in the shade Darling Pink. I love this one. I don't know if the packaging is the same, but almost kind of. But I'm going to swatch it so you can see how the color is on the inside. It is a little bit more muted and dark on the inside in the actual packaging. You guys, look at this. This is the lipstick swatch, and this is the color. I really don't hope I get the glance of my wing light. I'm so sorry. There we go. Can you see that? That is perfect. This is the perfect shade. It looks like they made the color out of this color on my phone. So yeah. I got 2 products to work on, and it was really easy to find them as mentioned. So I'm really excited to be working on these 2 because yeah, this one is a little bit older as I mentioned before, but this one, ooh, this is old. It's embarrassing old, but I really want to keep it and work on it because it doesn't smell off anything. It still smells fine and it doesn't look off in the consistency or anything. So I'm going to work on this one, and hopefully I can get some pretty good uses on it because it needed. It really needed. This was actually my favorite color from years ago. Yeah, I don't want to tell you how many years because it's really embarrassing. But yeah, this one and this perfume is rolling in this project, and hopefully I can, yeah, meet my goal on them really soon. Oh, actually, I totally forgot to tell you how many times I want to use this one. I think I want to use it 10 times. Yeah, 10 times. 10 times for this one, and then to above the Y in the logo on the perfume. So 10 times and above the logo on that one. But that was it for this video. Are you doing this project? Please let me know down below. I would love to take the update out. I try to keep up with all the updates I can find on Instagram and on YouTube, but there are a lot. There are a lot. So if I missed yours, please let me know down below. I would love to see it. And yeah, hopefully I can have some more gold mitts for the next update because it's getting really fun now because I hit my goal in every single update at the moment. But that was it for this video, and I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. don't forget to subscribe down there. I would love to have you around, and then I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.